Hello, in this video physics, I just have some explanations concerning work power energy and the Pulley system as well as the inclined plane. My main concern is on the inclined plane. So inclined plane is something like this. Okay, let me draw it properly. So the inclined plane is something like this. Okay, let's call this the height. Let's call this distance. Then if you have the load here, let's say it has got, let's call it L, the load, and it's being pushed by a force of this. All right, keeping in mind that this same rod, it has got mass, it has got weight. Okay, this will be done at a certain angle. We call the angle of incline. Now, how can you find the mechanical advantage? How can you find the loss ratio from here? And how can you find the efficiency from here? Now, first thing is that mechanical advantage is equal to load over what? Over effort. That's what we know. So the effort is the force that is usually pushing this. Okay, that's the effort. So let's say if this is 200 newtons, I'm just assuming this is 200 newtons, and this has a rod of 600 newtons. So my mechanical advantage will be 600 newtons over 200 newtons as effort, and this will give me 3. They have no units, right? Now the loss ratio is equal to distance moved by the effort divided by distance moved by the load. Now which one is distance moved by effort and which one is distance moved by the load? The distance moved by the load is this. Okay, while the distance moved by the effort is this. Sorry, is this. They usually give in the exam. So distance if I say the distance moved by the effort is 10 meters, while the distance moved by the load is 2 meters, how am I going to say? I will say distance moved by the effort is 10. Distance moved by the load is 2 meters. This will give you mechanical advantage 5. Remember, sorry, velocity ratio. Velocity ratio is always greater than or equal to mechanical advantage, not less than. And whenever velocity ratio is equal to mechanical advantage, you get efficiency 100%. Though it's rare, this occurs in what we call ideal machines. It's very rare. Now know that efficiency is equal to mechanical advantage over velocity ratio times what? 100. This efficient can also be found by load times load distance over effort times effort distance. That's another way. Mechanical advantage can also be found by load times load distance. Velocity ratio can also be found by effort times effort distance. That's some of the things that can make you gear up and find one or two things from there. Now, with a Pulley system, how can you find mechanical advantage? It's the same thing. It's load over effort. The load is here, the effort is here. Let's go, if this is 600 newtons, I'll use the same values, 200 newton. This will be 600 newtons over 200 newtons. This will give me 3 as a mechanical advantage. The loss ratio, is equal to, we know that it's distance moved by the effort over distance moved by the load. Or you can count the number of pulleys. 3. In this case we have 3. That with the mechanical advantage. Efficiency is the mechanical advantage over velocity ratio times 100. Sometimes effort can be found by load over the number of pulleys. Okay, sometimes that's how you can find effort. For example, this is what? It's 600. Number of pulleys how many? 3. So we're going to have 200 newtons as our effort, which is the same as what I gave you there. So I'm just keeping you revising there and there so that you can be used to these formulas. Don't forget to subscribe and play the tutor. I'll see you in the next video.